and it's suddenly really bright out. I don't know why. Okay. I feel like I'm getting washed out here. My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today I'm just going to do a short unboxing video while I'm out camping here at the Grand Canyon of the SoundBuds Slim Plus Bluetooth earbuds from Anker. So let's go ahead and unwrap these. As you can see, I kind of made enough room on the table in order for you to see the whole thing. And I did get these for free from Anker, but they did not pay me for this. And I got these for free from Anker because they were doing a small YouTubers thing where they offer free products in order for you to review them. However, I did not get the review in on time, so I'm on the naughty list for Anker. According to the Anker website, these are slim earphones that just go in your ear and they said that they're really good for biking because they're water resistant. They allegedly have great sound quality, and they're supposed to be able to play for up to 7 hours. So that's actually a really long time to play. And right now I'm using my Motorola headset, a really old headset, and it is getting, you know, the battery, it only lasts about maybe like one time, which is only an hour. So I'm sorry, Anker, I did not do these in time, you know, in order to fit your schedule, but I wanted to make sure I could review these appropriately before I posted it. So, all right, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. These are actually really nice. I like the way these are boxed already. It's in this like slim packaging, and it's very nice. And it looks like it comes in a little case here. That's nice. Oh, it's just a little case. That's all this is. So you get a case with the earphones. Oh, here they are. Okay, and they're just kind of like jammed in there. That's kind of weird. I thought that they would be more, it'd be more like fanfare, you know? So that's all right. Okay, so it comes with a case here, and it looks like you get a little mesh area in order to fit maybe additional earbuds or the charging cable. And I like that this is a hard shell case. It's not a soft shell case, so it won't be crushed, say, inside of your bag or anything like that. And here are the earbuds. So I can see already that they are magnetic. So it means that when you're out biking or whatnot and you have them around your neck, maybe you can just clip them together. And I do like that it has kind of the earpiece that goes right inside of your ear. And what happens is that it kind of loops in your ear, so it helps them stay. You know what I mean? So you can just kind of loop them in there like that. So, sorry, the sun suddenly came out from behind a cloud and it whitewashed everything. So I couldn't really see myself in the camera anymore, and I was kind of worried that you can't either. So we're right in the middle of the unboxing. I was just kind of laying everything out here for you to see. So as you can see, it comes with the earbuds, and they're kind of tied together here. And then it comes with a charging cable. I'll just kind of set that on the box here so you can see it. So charging cable and the earbuds. Then it comes with the little carrying case, which is a hard case, which is very nice actually. And it's got Anker written across it so that you know it's an Anker product. And then it looks like it comes with, you have additional sizes here. So these look to be kind of a smaller size and then a larger size for the earbuds, for the inner ear. And then this looks to be a little clip actually. So you can put this on the cord and then you can clip it to your clothes so that they don't fall off. That's nice. And then it's got the owner's manual. In Japanese, which I don't read. Oh, here's English. So it is Bluetooth, you know, you pair it with your device and whatnot, so just like every other Bluetooth product. And it just says if you're unhappy, you know, don't send it back, ask them to help you. So anyway, so here's everything that you get. So you get the different sizes of both the earbuds and the inner ear things too. You get smaller and larger sizes. You get a charging cable and the actual earbuds themselves. So it looks like the earbuds are already equipped with just like the medium size, you know. So let's go ahead and unclip these. It's got a little tie here. I just want to see how long it is. This is nice. I like these a lot actually already. I'm very excited to try these out using them with my Bluetooth. And it looks like it has 3 different options here. It's got the play button in the middle. and then it's got the plus and minus, and that looks like it can be used for the volume. And then it's got the USB cable input here, so that if you want to charge it via this, you can do that. According to this, you can charge it every 7 hours, you know, so you just use this little charging cable, and then that's it, away you go. So I really like this. So let's see what it says on the back. It says, choice of 20 million happy users. Listen for 7 hours, fully charged in 90 minutes. Well, I'm really interested about that. Water resistant, superior sound, aptX technology for high fidelity audio. Water resistant. I like how these are magnetic, so that means that when you have them around, you know, your neck here, they can easily just be clipped together around the middle here. So that's actually very nice. And then, oh, it looks like it has a little plastic attached to it on the anchor, protecting the anchor symbol or something, I don't know. There's one over here too, so. But these are nice. Oh, it's got an M on the side of it too for medium, I would think. So you can just kind of stuff them in the ear. My ears are kind of small, so I'll probably have to adjust the size to be small, whatever. But these are nice. I like it. I don't know how to turn them on though. I wonder if you just hit play. Let's try it. If I hold down play. Oh, there we go. So you hold down play in order to turn them on, and you hear like a little whooshing noise, which means that they are turning on. And then it just says ready to pair. So then you just pair them with your iPhone or iPad or laptop, whichever you want to play it with, and away you go. So, and I think in order to turn it off, it's even got like a little battery indicator too. So it does say low battery for me. So I think if I hold in the play button again to turn it off, it'll turn off. So. Alright, so that's it. Yep, it makes like a little whooshing, like a pew, like a power down noise. So, alright, so that's it. It comes with this little case. I like these earbuds, and I'm very excited to try them out. So, but anyways, I thought I'd just do like a little unboxing of what it looks like. And let's see if we can't fit it all inside this case here too. So, here's the charging cable. And I put the earphones in there already. And then maybe if you want to carry different sizes, you know, you can just kind of shove all this in there too. And the clip, and it all fits. See? Oh, and it's got a little carabiner on it too, so. It comes with a little carabiner so that you can attach it to a backpack, or like if you're traveling or something like that. So these are actually very nice. I like it. And then that's it. Just put these back together. I like the way the packaging is too. It's very nice and sleek. So that's it. We opened up the package. We took off the plastic wrap. I've never seen these before, but you know, I've heard good things, good and bad things about them. I'm kind of excited to try them out, especially while biking. Maybe replacing my old ones as well. So, but maybe I'll get some more Anker products in the future. I'll have to buy it with my own money because I'm on the naughty list for Anker. So, but anyways, so I think that is it. So, okay, great. So I'll probably get an update video once I actually start using these and what they feel like while I'm biking and whatnot. So, but okay, so thank you so much for watching. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up if you like this content and you want to see more like it. Sorry, it's so bright. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below, or you can like my Facebook page. That's at Jillian Camps, Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.